Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So our topic, how to subtract mixed numbers with like denominators. But before we dive into the subtractions of the mixed numbers, let us discuss what is meant by mixed numbers and also the steps on how to subtract mixed numbers. So without further ado, let's do this topic. Okay, before we go to the problem on how to subtract mixed numbers, let us discuss what is meant by mixed number. So mixed numbers consist of whole number and proper fraction. Okay, so this is an example of a mixed number. So the two beside the proper fraction, 1/4 is what we call the whole number. Then the fraction 1/4 is what we call the proper fraction. Okay. Okay, so we have also steps in subtracting the mixed numbers. So step 1, we have to convert the mixed number to improper fraction. Okay, so example, subtract the mixed fraction 2 and 1/3 from 4 and 2/3. Okay, so this is how to write. As you notice, ang maunang isulat ay yung mixed fraction after the word from. Okay, that is why yung 4 and 2/3 yung naunang isulat. Okay, so convert muna natin yung mixed number bago tayo mag-subtract. So, paano mag-convert? I-multiply lang ang whole number dito sa denominator at ang result niya ay add natin sa numerator. Okay, so that is why we have 4 times 3, that is 12. Then, add dito sa numerator na 2 ay equal siya sa 14/3. Then, subtract natin dito sa 2 and 1/3. But we have to convert first this mixed fraction to improper fraction. So, 2, the whole number 2 will be multiplied to the denominator of 3. Then, add it with the numerator of 1. Okay, so that is why 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1. That is equals to 7/3. Then, we can now subtract the numerator 14 by another numerator of 7. Okay, so after we convert the mixed number or mixed fractions to improper fractions, we can now proceed to the step 2, which is subtract the fractions using the subtractions rules. Okay, so this is the result after we convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions. So we have 14/3. Then subtract it with the 7/3. Okay, so after we convert again the mixed number to improper fraction, so we can now proceed to subtractions to the numerator. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, isa na lang yung isinulat ko na denominator na 3 instead of 2 because they are common. So I hope na naintindihan nyo ito. Next, proceed to subtractions again. Then 14 minus 7, that is equals to 7/3. Then let us divide this 7 by 3, that is equals to 2 and 1/3. Okay, so as simple as that. I hope that you learned from this short video presentation. Thank you for watching.